Hello guys, today we discuss about the scale and basically the diagonal scale. So what do you mean by diagonal scale? Actually the diagonal scale is used to measure three consecutive units or one unit and its subdivision and further subdivision of subunit. Just like we want to measure by a scale, that is, we want to measure kilometer, hectometer, and decameter in a single scale. So, in this case, we have to use the diagonal scale. Actually, the subdivisions, we first unit is done as a by a plane scale, first subdivision, and then the subdivision of the second unit is done by the diagonal principle. Understand? And we can read the third unit of the scale with the help of diagonal. So I am telling you, what do you mean by it? Diagonal scale. Suppose from so suppose we want to from here, suppose this is a scale. Suppose from here to here, this is a scale. We are dividing this into suppose 1, 2, 3 and 4. So from here, suppose this is 0, 1, 2 and 3, and here is it is further divided into 10 division. So if this is kilometer, so we can measure with the help of this scale up to how much kilometer? That is 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 kilometer we can measure with the help of this scale. Now if we want to measure kilometer and hectometer, then we know that 1 kilometer then equals to 10 hectometer. So 0 to 10, this is 1, from here to here this is 1 kilometer, but we are divided, we will divide it into 10 equal divisions. So we have to mark here 10, that is what? That is hectometer. Hectometer. HM means hectometer. Understand? Now we have to, suppose we divide this scale into 10 equal division. As I told you before, by a line, already I have discussed in before. So I am not dividing it, just like tell you 1, 2, 3 and 4, means from here to here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly 6, 7, 8, 9 and up to here this is 10, means from here to here 1 hectometer, 2 hectometer, from here to here this is 3, 4 hectometer, 5 hectometer, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, means 10 hectometer means 1 kilometer. Understand? So here we divide 1 kilometer into 10 equal division. So each division is how much? That is 1 hectometer. Understand? Each division. Now if we want to measure here decameter, then how we can measure? Suppose decameter, so we have to further divided this 1 hectometer into 10 division, but in this small space this is not possible. So what we will do? We take, in that case we have to draw a diagonal scale. Suppose we draw here vertical lines just like this. Diagonal scale just like this. Draw the vertical lines. So now again we divide the top portion suppose this height is 5 millimeter. Suppose this height it takes, you have to take 5 millimeter, or 5 millimeter, or 1 centimeter, or 2 centimeter, that I will tell you later, or 3 centimeter maximum, that I will tell you later. So any height you can take it. Now further divide the top portion into how much? That is 1, 2, 3, sorry, not 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Similarly 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Understand? Now join. Here you can see the 0. This is 1, this is 2 division, this is 3 division, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here you can see this is 10. This is 10 hectometer. From here to here 1 millimeter, 1 hectometer, 2 hectometer, 3. Similarly, we are dividing this also into equally, upper part also. Now we have to join the one division, that is 1 in the upper side, that is 0 division here, 0 to this is 1 division, so we have to join this 0 division with the 1 division to join the 2, 3 to 2 division to the 3. Suppose at the upper side this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now what you do here, we join the 1 division of the bottom to the 0 division of the bottom to the 1 division of the top. Similarly 1 division of the bottom, division mark, to the 2. Similarly 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9 and 9 to 10. Understand? Now we join from here 0 division to 1 division, 1 division to up to 2 division. We draw diagonals actually. Now divide this vertical line also 10 equal divisions. 10 equal division. So we divide this line also 10 equal division. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Similarly the bottom 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we draw horizontal line from this point equal division. Actually all these are, we have to draw the horizontal line through it. Just like this. Understand? We have to draw this horizontal line. Now you can see here that from this is kilometer. Now you can see here this is kilometer. The kilometer, suppose 2 kilometer, we can measure from here to here 1, and from here to here, from here to here, this is from this point to this point, that is 2 kilometer. 2 kilometer, suppose 5 hectometer. So we can read here 5 from here to here, this is 2 kilometer, this point to this point, and 5 means 1 2 3 4 5, means that from here this point to up to this point, this is 2.5 hectometer, means 2.5 kilometer, means 2 kilometer 5 hectometer, means this distance from here to here 2 kilometer 5 hectometer. You can see here 5 hectometer up to this distance. Now if we want to measure decameter, then it is in this side. This is decameter. This is decameter. In this side, how we can measure? Suppose it is, we want to measure 2 kilometer 5 hectometer and 6 decameter, dm, means 2.56 kilometer. 2.56 kilometer means 2 kilometer 5 hectometer and second decimal is decameter. So 2 kilometer 5 hectometer and 6 decameter we have to measure. How we can measure? With the help of these 3 digit. From here to here means 2 kilometer. From this distance 0 to 1 2 means up to this point, from here to here, this is 2 kilometer. Then 5 hectometer. 5 hectometer means 1 2 3 4 5. This distance is 5 hectometer from here to here. Now if we want to measure 6 decimeter, and from this 5 we have to, suppose this is 0 1 division, 2 division, 3 division, 4 5 6 division, 7 division, 8 division, 9 and 10 division here. Understand? So we go to the point 5 number 5 point of hectometer, and then we go through the diagonally. We go diagonally from 5 to 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the 6. Means that from here to here, this distance, if we draw a vertical line, means this distance is 0.6, and it is measured by the diagonally. If we go diagonally towards the point number 6, then this is the point number 6. So means from here to here, this is 6. This point to this point, this is 6 decameter. So from here we draw a vertical line here, means from here up to this point, this is 2.56 kilometer. Understand? This is the measurement. By this way we can measure 2 kilometer. From here to here 2 kilometer, 5 hectometer, that is fine. From here to here this is 5 hectometer, and if we go diagonally, then we can get what? 6 decameter. Means this is the measurement, diagonal measurement, that is decameter. So this is called diagonal scale. By this scale we can measure up to 3 consecutive units or 1 unit and its subdivision. Suppose 1 unit, that is 2 subdivisions are there, means total we have to calculate 3, we have to measure 3 consecutive units. So we can measure by this way with the help of diagonal scale. Now I am seeing you a single from 0, suppose this is 0, this is 0 to 1 and here 0 to 1. So if we make a rectangular box I am showing you this portion separately, then I think then you can understand it. A single box. Actually, if we draw, if we join 1 to 1, 2 to 2, then it becomes a rectangular box, and one diagonal is there. So I am drawing here this box here at the bottom. Suppose makes it big. Suppose this is 0. This is 0 and this is 1. So if we go through diagonally, this is a diagonal of this box. Again we do divide this into 10 equal divisions. So, 4. So we divide this into 10 division, and you can see here the 10 division 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 division, and here 0 to 1. Suppose 0 to 1 means this is from here to here 1. Suppose this is 1 hectometer, and if we measure to 0 here, in this case 0, 1, in this diagonal scale 1, 2, 0, 1, 2 division, 3 division, 4 division, 5 division, 6 division, 7 division, 8 division, 9 and 10 division. So if we divide this portion is 0.1. If we go through this point from here to here, means this distance is 0.1. We divide this into 10 equal division understood by this diagonal. So this is 0.1 from here to here, from 0 to 1 here. If we go to diagonal, this distance is 0.1. From here to here we divide this into 10 equal division. From here to here this is, because 2, so from here to here this is 0.2. From here to here this is 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. From here to here this is 0.6. From here to this is 0.7. So this is 0.8, this is 0.9 and this is the 1. 10 means 1. Understand? 1 hectometer. So if suppose this is hectometer and this is decameter in here, decameter, then suppose we measure 0.6 decameter, 0.6 decameter. Then from 0 here to here is 10 decameter, means 1 hectometer from here to here. So if we want to measure 6 decameter, so we go through this diagonal, we go to the point diagonally, and then from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, means up to this point, this is 0.6, this is 0.6 decameter. Sorry, this is 6 decameter, means 0.6 hectometer. Sorry, this is 0.6 hectometer. From here to here, this is 1 hectometer, and from this distance is 0.6. This distance is 0.6 hectometer, means 6 decameter. This 6 decameter means 0.6 hectometer. So this point from here to here, this portion is how much? That is 0.8 hectometer, means 8 decameter. Understand? So this is the diagonal scale. This is diagonal scale. So I will give you a problem of diagonal scale in the next class. Thank you for today.